Helping your premature baby gain weight is essential for their growth and development. Premature babies often face challenges due to underdeveloped organs and lower birth weights. Here's a guide to support healthy weight gain in your premature baby. Breast milk has important nutrients and antibodies that help premature babies grow and stay healthy. If your baby cannot breastfeed directly, you can give pumped milk using a spoon or feeding cup. Sometimes, the doctor may suggest adding extra nutrients to the milk to help your baby gain weight. Premature babies often need to be fed every 2 to 3 hours, even if that means waking them from sleep. Their tiny stomachs cannot hold much at once, so frequent feeding ensures they get enough calories. Holding your baby against your chest helps regulate their body temperature, improves sleep, and supports weight gain. It also strengthens the bond between you and your baby. Daily baby massages with gentle strokes can improve circulation, digestion, and relaxation, all of which support healthy weight gain. If you are breastfeeding, your own diet matters. Eating nutrient-rich foods helps ensure your milk is packed with what your baby needs. Minimize noise and distractions during feeding times. A peaceful setting helps your baby focus on feeding and reduces stress, which can improve digestion and nutrient absorption. If breast milk alone is not enough, your doctor might recommend a high-calorie formula or fortifiers to boost nutrition. These are specially designed for preemies and can support faster weight gain. Enfamil NeuroPro is great for premature babies, with DHA and MFGM to support brain development like breast milk. The formula also helps build a strong immune system and supports healthy weight gain. Monitoring wet and dirty diapers helps ensure your baby is getting enough milk. It's a simple but effective way to track hydration and nutrition. Sleep is essential for growth. Make sure your baby gets peaceful sleep between feedings. Growth hormone levels peak during sleep, which supports weight gain. Regular checkups help monitor progress and adjust feeding plans as needed. Your doctor can also check for any underlying problem that might affect weight gain. With love, care, and the right support, your premature baby can grow strong and healthy day by day.